Hi and welcome to a new Decred news update. We have a lot to talk about, including new proposals, a new USD on-ramp, and DEX development updates. And remember, this isn't hype, this is real development, this is Decred. Decred is now available on Alchemy Pay. This integration makes it easier than ever to buy DCR using a wide range of global payment options, including Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and local banking methods across 173 plus countries. Alchemy Pay bridges the gap between crypto and fiat for Decred, especially for users in North America. Alchemy Pay will soon be directly available in Cake Wallet, where your Decred receive address is already a part of the transaction. Recent Bison Wallet development updates are as follows. Improved testing environment by fixing how simulated nodes work. Fixed a bug with Firo wallets so they now behave properly when getting block info. Cleaned up code by removing some unnecessary duplicate pieces. Prevented crashes when Firo wallet data acted strangely. Updated some tools used to check and organize the DEX's code behind the scenes. Enabled Decred's new Stake Shuffle++ privacy system for mixing coins using version 5 wallets. Upgraded security checks by updating the code quality scanner. Simplified the code using newer features of the Go programming language. Updated the website parts of the app to use newer web tools. Improved user experience by hiding certain buttons if the website connection isn't fully secure. And upgraded Decred wallet support to the newest version 5. Bison Wallet version 1.0.3 is out. Changes include allowing Firo to send to an exchange address, fixing Electrum Firo market maker issues, using server's fee rate for swap fee estimates, added messaging for penalty compensation, updates to DCR Wallet, fixing Polygon Wallet connected and disconnected notification spam, fixed market maker balance handling for shared transactions cross matches, updated the German and Chinese translations, storing correct Bitcoin transaction history refund hashes, and tweaks to arbitrage bots on Binance. Work is being done to add MEXC arbitrage bots to Bison Wallet. This bot constantly scans prices between Bison Wallet and MEXC, executing trades when profitable differences appear. The result? Tighter market spreads, more liquidity, and a smoother trading experience, all without sacrificing Bison's decentralized trustless foundation. One of the projects listed on Bison Wallet, a privacy coin called Firo, was recently delisted from Binance after a rather vague voting process. This was despite meeting Binance's liquidity requirements, having a team of developers and maintainers, and creating transparent addresses specifically for exchanges. Given centralized exchanges' war on privacy, it behooves us to study what is to become of Firo. Thus far, they have stayed strong and are committed to further building out their privacy structure, and have encouraged their users to withdraw their coins from Binance and other centralized exchanges. Since the delisting, a Firo USDC pair has been enabled on Bison Wallet, allowing permissionless atomic swaps for Firo users, all while maintaining custody. Firo has a permanent home on Bison Wallet and never has to worry about arbitrary delistings. This just goes to show that Decred is building out the ultimate sovereign infrastructure, not even just for itself, but for other solid Layer 1 coins as well. Bison Wallet website has been fully refreshed with updated branding and a cleaner design. The new site properly showcases Bison Wallet's core strengths, a decentralized exchange with atomic swaps, a private wallet with no middlemen, and a platform where you can trade with no trading fees and no KYC. It also highlights key features like staking and earning with Decred. The goal was to make the information more accessible, the branding more consistent, and the experience smoother for new and returning users. Check it out at bisonwallet.org. There are plans to improve it even more moving forward. There's also a section dedicated to instructing new users how to get started with the Bison Wallet. Recent DCR Wallet updates include enhanced debug logging for the Mix account feature to aid in troubleshooting, removed duplicate package imports to streamline the codebase, added a check to ensure mixing is enabled before purchasing Mix tickets, preventing potential errors, enforcing explicit specification of a voting account to avoid unintended defaults, ensured the auto buyer consistently uses the configured voting account, enhancing reliability. Bison Bot Kit is a new development toolkit created to make building bots for Bison Relay simple and accessible. Traditionally, creating a bot would require setting up a full Bison Relay client, but Bison Bot Kit streamlines that by offering a lightweight framework focused only on essential functions. It handles messaging, events, and Decred tipping, so developers can concentrate on creating features rather than worrying about the underlying network or encryption layers. The kit is modular and designed to grow with the ecosystem, making it easier for anyone to build services, assistance, or automation inside Bison Relay. Overall, Bison Bot Kit lowers the barrier to entry and opens up new possibilities for expanding Decred's decentralized communications network. Looking at Politeia, Decred's proposal platform, we have the Cake Wallet 2025 proposal from Joe Gruff. Decred is now live on Cakewallet, and this proposal focuses on making the experiences faster, smoother, and more powerful for users. The main goals are to speed up initial sync times by about 50%, refactor and version the library wallet code to focus purely on Decred, add restore from hardware support for devices like Ledger, and integrate Decred into BTC Pay Server to unlock spending through CakePay. This would allow users to easily buy gift cards and spend Decred at hundreds of merchants worldwide. The team also plans to fix bugs as they arise, including current issues like compatibility with Graphene OS, and set aside a discretionary budget for testing across a wide range of devices. Work will be led by Decred contractors, including Wisdom and Joe, and a total project budget of $80,000 over the next 12 months. The proposal ended up passing with 95.7% voter approval and a 58% voter turnout. The next proposal is the BR AI bot for Bison Relay. BR AI bot is a new AI assistant built directly into Bison Relay, offering powerful tools like image, video, and speech generation, all while showcasing real-world utility for Decred and Lightning Network. Users interact with BR AI bot privately through DMs and can fund their usage with DCR tips, creating a real economic loop inside Bison Relay. The bot is already fully functional, can be run privately for free, and is built on reusable infrastructure for future projects. BR AI bot maintains user balances using an embedded SQLite database and potentially deducts from these balances based on the cost of AI API calls. The bot is available to users who join the Bison Relay group chat, where users are automatically key exchanged with the bot. Message it !help to get instructions. It is also possible to run your own bot, disable the billing function in the configuration file, and use it as your own personal AI bot. BR AI bot interfaces with external AI APIs, and its technology stack is the Go programming language, the Bison Bot Kit from VCTT, SQLite 3, and the Fall AI API. This proposal seeks $3,240 to cover development, AI API costs, and server hosting to keep expanding this valuable addition to the Decred ecosystem. Thanks for watching this Decred news update. Be sure to check out decred.org to learn more about the project.